To create a shareable Google appointment calendar, start by logging into your Google Calendar and clicking on the Create button on the top left of the home screen. From the drop-down menu, select Appointment Schedule to set up an appointment schedule. Name the schedule something appropriate, as it will be visible to your customers. Determine the length of the appointment, which can be adjusted as needed. Next, choose your availability by selecting the days and times you are available for appointments. You can also specify time zones and set up split days if needed. Set the advanced scheduling window, such as allowing customers to schedule up to 60 days in advance, and the minimum notice required, such as 48 hours before the appointment. Additionally, you can block out specific dates or times when you are unavailable, such as holidays or vacations. The booked appointment setting allows you to set a buffer time between appointments, limit the number of bookings per day, and determine if others can be invited to the meeting. Once the schedule is set up, you can add a description, location, and other details. You can also require customers to fill out a booking form with specific information, such as their name, email, and phone number. If you have an upgraded Google Workspace plan, you can even accept payments through Stripe. After setting up the appointment schedule, you can share the link on social media or embed it into your website. When customers click on the link, they will see your availability and can schedule an appointment by filling out the booking form. This allows them to choose a time that works for them, and you will receive a calendar invitation with the appointment details. By following these steps, you can easily create a shareable Google appointment calendar that streamlines the scheduling process for both you and your customers. This can be especially useful for businesses that offer consulting or other services, as it saves time and reduces the need for phone calls or emails to schedule appointments.